To begin, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Then tap on the three horizontal lines located in the bottom right corner. From the list of options, select Settings. Swipe up to scroll down, and locate the Preferences section. Then tap on Privacy and Safety. Under the Safety and Well-being section, you will see a new option called Nudity Protection. If you don't see it, make sure your Messenger app is updated to the latest version. Now tap on it. Now, simply tap the toggle switch next to Nudity Protection to enable it. Once turned on, Messenger will automatically blur suspected nude images in chats and display a warning before you view them. This feature helps protect your privacy and provides a safer messaging experience by automatically detecting and blurring potentially sensitive images. So that's how you can turn on nudity protection on Facebook Messenger.